Hello students, welcome back to my channel Nick Maths. Today we are going to learn very important topic of trigonometry F exercise, trigonometric ratios. This is known as transformations. How do we learn in a better way? We'll see. See, before we start any problem, you should be thorough with the formulas. Then only you can crack this type of problems. Remember this. See, I'll give you a very simple tip for solving this type of problems. We will have three terms here. Okay. For first two terms, you have to apply four formulas. Cos C plus cos D, sin C plus sin D, cos C minus cos D. Any one of the formula you should be using here. Like we have cos C plus cos D, you have to assume that. And we have formula 2 cos C plus D by 2. We have C A here and D is B here. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And for the third term, you should be writing here cos C formula 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2. Never forget to use bracket here. See, as I said, in the first step, you should be using any one of the formula from those four formulas, what I told you in the beginning. And now, you will have to understand what type of problem this is. Here he is also saying A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. What do you mean by angles of a triangle? That means sum of three angles will be 180 degrees. So, we can change plus term here, not minus term. Always think in a positive way. We should be changing plus term. So, how do we change? We have A plus B only. A plus B as it is. We can write this as 180 minus C. And also we have A plus B by 2. Okay, so we'll write it here by 2, by 2, by 2. And also cos we have. So we'll be applying cos here. So cos 90 minus C is what? Cos 90 minus C. It lies in the first quadrant. Okay. So this will changes to sin C by 2 and cos A minus B by 2 as it is, minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sine square C by 2. I'll come again. See, how do we start this? We'll have three terms here. First two terms we should be using formula. Third one, either the third term will be either in the form of cos or sine. I have written the formulas of those. So, we have to change the plus term always, not the minus term. Now, I can write this as, this is a constant term, we can write it in the beginning only. Now, plus, what is the common term between these two? 2 sine C by 2 is the common term of mine. Now, if you will take this as common, what remains here? Cos A minus B by 2 plus, there are two sine terms here. One is taken out already. The other should be written it here only. Is it okay, Beto? Now, as I said, you should not be focusing on minus sign. Always focus on either plus term or the single term. Okay. Now, I can do here is, we have only C. With the help of again this term, can I write C is equal to 180 minus A minus B? Since I have to know the value of C, I will be writing here C only. Now, by 2 is there. By 2, by 2, by 2. Sine is also there. Sine, I should write it here. Here also we should write sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now you must be surprising. Sir is writing here minus. Now here is plus. I I have taken this minus sign common here, and I can make this term as plus. Any problem here? You should not be having any problem till here. Now in my next step, I should be writing here cos of a minus b by 2 plus, in the place of sin c by 2, cos a plus b by 2. See students, some people may get difficulty solving this type of terms. Don't worry. What we have here, cos of a minus b by 2, no? Similarly, you can write in the same manner cos of a plus by 2. A plus b by 2. You can write it off. No problem in that. Okay. Now, we have to write minus 1 as it is, plus 2 sine c by 2 as it is. We have formula for this two terms, cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of a plus b by 2. That is 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Here is your answer. Minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4 sine c by 2 cos a by 2. You can write it in anyways. Do not get confused by seeing the answer. Hence proved. I'll give you a brief one more time. See, in your first step, you just have to use one of the four formulas what I told you. Cos c minus cos d, cos c plus cos d, anything. First formula. And here cos is there. You must be using this formula as it is. Now, we should be changing plus term or single term. So, I have changed the plus term by using the criteria given in the problem. A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. So, cos of A plus B by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta, since it is lie in the first quadrant, you can write this as sin C by 2. And after that, same term, same, exactly same, I have written it here. Now, this is a constant term. What I am writing here, this is a constant term. What I am writing it here. Plus, in these two terms, what is the common term? Sin c by 2. 2 sin c by 2. I am taking this as common. And rest all should be writing inside the brackets. Cos a minus b by 2 plus. One is already been sent out. Other has to be written it here itself. There were two signs. Sin square, no. So one more sign is here. Now, as I said, minus you should not be focusing. Either single term or plus term. Single term, same form again. Using this formula, we got this term. Now, again you will be having four formulas. If you know those four formulas, then only you can go ahead with this problem. So, better those who are, beginners, for them I'll tell you one very good tip. Write the answer at the last, whatever we have, and see, we have minus 1, already sign term is there, till here is okay. Now, minus 1 as it is, plus as it is, 2 sin c by 2 as it is. Now, for this, we have to write 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 as per those four formulas. I will definitely share these formulas list in my link. Please be thorough with the formulas, then start this type of problems. I can guarantee you, you can solve at least 4 to 5 problems of the same type. Now, finally, if you will multiply this, you will get the final answer. Remember students, formulas plays a vital role solving this type of problems.